Ano pong pangalan nyo?
I am Regine Baxapo from ABM6.
Ito po yung tanong, what can you do to help protect animals and plants around you?
As a student at bilang isang mamamayan ng ating bansa, simula bata pa tinuturuan na tayo kung ano yung mga tama at mali nating dapat ginagawa. Kumbaga po, especially lalo na sa ating environment, sa ating kapaligiran, tinuturuan na tayo mga dapat nating gawin para sa ikabubuti ng ating kapaligiran. And with that, meron tayong mga projects na ginagawa natin sa school. Yung pag-iipon natin ng mga papers, pag-iipon natin ng mga bottles. With that, sa pagpa-participate ko, pag-participate nating lahat, nakatulong tayo sa ating environment in our own way. Kumbaga, yung mga micro nating ginagawa, nagiging kapag pinagsama-sama natin siya, nagiging malaking effect siya sa ating environment.
Ano pong pangalan niyo, kuya?
Dave Christian C. Aguilon po.
So ito po yung tanong nyo. How can you encourage your fellow students to care for wildlife and plants?
I can encourage my fellow students po by sharing tips and leading by an example. As a YesO G11 representative po, I can share tips and para po mag-guide po sila kung paano po mag-take care of nature, and I really want to encourage them po para naman po maging better ang environment natin.
Disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976 allowances made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.